Morning, so nice to see you.
Good morning, Mr. President. Thank you very much, Luigi.
Thank you very much. It's huge privilege for me to appreciation to you for having met me here. Last time in September 2022 has been successful in terms of so many.
Yes.
There are some very good souvenir, which I believe that it find its place in is made of stone, a variety of stones.
Pietra.
It's a nature of Kazakhstan. It's about nature of Kazakhstan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
E questa è una vista da San Pietro.
This is a view of.
And to say,
This shows the various parts of the Apostolic Palace.
questo è il messaggio della pace.
This is the message for peace,
L'ho filmato oggi per lei.
which I've signed this morning for you.
Thank you very much. It's a very precious gift for me, and very much dear for me.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See you. It's a huge privilege meeting here.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.